From this example, we will see how to control our machine axis using fixed direction from the machine axis control page, which is available in every toolpath strategy. Here I am using Huron KX200 as my machine tool file. Let me start creating my face milling toolpath first. I go to the settings page now. I had pre-created all my toolpath settings here, and in my machine axis control page, I am using free as my proposed orientation. Let me calculate the toolpath first. If you look at the simulation of this particular toolpath, the toolpath is flow at the same direction of the rotational of B-axis. That means there are chances of having two load act at the B-axis as it is a rotational axis. So what we can do here is we can rotate the C-axis and make the pinion of this particular B-axis parallel to this flow. Now it is perpendicular to the toolpath flow. Go to the settings page again, refresh my toolpath, go to my machine axis control page. Now I'm using fixed direction as my proposed orientation. Keep my offset angle as 90 degree. If you calculate the toolpath and see the simulation of this, now you can see the B-axis pinion is parallel to the workflow. Also, the tool load acting perpendicular to the B-axis. So the tool load won't affect that particular axis. If you switch on the machine tool file here, you can see my C-axis is at 90 degree instead of 0 degree. So let me start the second toolpath here. So where I want to create a toolpath over this particular profile. Also here I'm using my machine axis control as free. If you go to the machine axis control page, now it is free option. So let me calculate the toolpath. If you simulate from start, so now there's a collision happen between the head and the model. So what we can do is you can rotate the C-axis and avoid those collision between the part and the head. So here I'm using the same settings page. Refresh the toolpath here. I'm using the fixed direction option and let me do with 0 degree as my offset angle. Calculate the toolpath. Simulate the toolpath from start. Again the same because the C-axis is at 0 degree. So what I'm going to do is rotate my C-axis to 90 degree and calculate the toolpath. Let me change my machine axis control as 90 degree offset angle parameter and let me calculate that. And if you see the simulation of this particular toolpath where your C-axis is exactly at 90 degree and you can avoid the collision between the part and the head.